Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. Sean from High Level coming at you with some updates here. So for those of you who missed it, it is back. Sign in with Google is here on the app.gohighlevel.com login screen. We had to kill it while we went back and redid some security updates that Google wanted for review or something. Anyhow, this is great news for those of you who work on multiple High Level accounts and don't want to have to deal with the 2FA issue. It basically allows you to go in, use your Google account, and then you can switch between accounts sort of seamlessly. It basically solved for the 2FA issue because now we know who you are. The issue I think before was that now that I think about it, it was the fact that Google didn't like the fact of all the white label domains because they have to actually individually certify those. So anyways, it's back. I'm excited about that. So that's that one. Next up, and this one is very specifically for developers. So if you're not a developer, feel free to go here, but don't worry about it. Don't touch anything. Don't do anything. But for those of you who are a developer and want to make sure that you can get up and going with our API, with the OAuth 2 API very quickly, you can actually come here to marketplace.gohighlevel.com. There are a ton of apps in here, but just ignore those. You're going to want to go ahead and sign up for an account, and this will actually give you the ability to create apps and get your OAuth tokens and all that good stuff for the API. And just as a quick reminder, if you go to help.gohighlevel.com, and you search API up here in the search box, you're going to see High Level API, and specifically the docs are right here. It's the stoplight docs. Now we do have an old set of docs, which were there before for the old API, but this is definitely the one you want to look at. And we'll actually add the marketplace link here. But for those of you today, you're like, it says email Karan. You no longer have to do that. You can just come here and sign up on your own. So that's awesome. And then as a quick update, bug fix, just notification on the workflows, and I'm just reading the notes here. When using the exact time in a window, it wasn't accounting for the case where it had already been past the time. So let's say you said set the time for yesterday, right? So now what it'll do is it'll account for the hours and minutes and move to the next day. So for example, if you said yesterday at 9 p.m. or 9 a.m., it would actually then roll forward to today at 9 a.m. So just a quick heads up on how that would work. So for those of you who are wondering or use that or wondered why that wasn't functional before, also a couple of speed updates went out under the hood that is no real visual on that, but just letting you know that we're continuing to work on that. We have some other big updates coming later this week, so I'm pretty excited about bringing those to you, but I hope everybody is having an awesome Tuesday as usual, and if you need anything, let us know. Thanks.